Hey, this is Dave with Career Fair Plus, and today I'm going to run through our booth assignment tool to give you an overview and show you a couple different ways that you can use it. Our booth assignment tool is for premium customers, and it allows you to do your table or booth assignments graphically in our system, which minimizes errors, makes things a lot faster, and make sure that you get everybody assigned and can make updates at the last minute very easily. Over on the left, we've got the list of employers at this fair that have been loaded into Career Fair Plus. And on the right, we've got our table map that's been set up with the yellow boxes. You would have sent us a map that looks something like this. We recommend a PDF or PNG. We process it and put the yellow boxes on top for you. And then you can drop employers on those yellow boxes. So to get started, I go over to the left and I would pick an employer that I want to place. And many times I want to pick an employer that needs some special location. For instance, maybe they need electricity. So I look at Arvest Bank and I say, you know what, I need them in this corner because they need electricity. And then I might pick DaVita Analysis and say they need electricity. Who else? Edward Jones. And what I can do here is place all the employers that need a special location. I can then leave placement mode, and I can use auto assign to place the rest of the employers in the available tables. And the system will alphabetically assign the employers to their tables. Let's say, for instance, though, I needed to move some employers after I did the auto assign. For whatever reason, I can't put CCK and Champ Sports next to each other. Moving CCK is really, really easy. I'm just going to tap on their table and I'm going to say unassign. I'm then going to pick the different table that I want them to be at. Choose CCK, hit save, and now they have moved over to a different table. When I'm all set, I have a couple options. If I don't want these students to yet see the map, I can hit save and it will remain hidden in the app. When I'm then ready to publish this and show students, I can hit publish and it will become active in the app. And then at any time I can come back and make changes to my map, and those changes will automatically be pushed out to the app. I can also export my booth assignments with this button and get a spreadsheet of the table assignments. And I can export my map with this button, which gives me a high resolution image that I can print in a poster format or put on a handout if I need to use that at the event. I hope this video has been very helpful in describing how to use our booth assignment tool. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and we can do an in-person walkthrough with you.